Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to contact customer support on TCGPlayer. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and contact customer support, maybe with a refund, or maybe there was an issue with your order. How do you actually go ahead and contact them? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to actually do this is that first you're going to log on to TCGPlayer. Next, you're going to click on this icon in the upper right-hand corner. And then you're going to click on Contact Customer Support, which is right over here. Now, once you do this, you'll see that a chatbot actually auto-populates on TCGPlayer, where it's "Hello, I'm Hobby, TCGPlayer's helpbot." So you'll start off by clicking on these pre-built customization settings. But if you want to go ahead and speak to a human, all you've got to do is click on Ask Something Else, and then you can type in Speak to Representative, and then eventually it'll redirect you to an actual human. So they'll get you in touch with someone with their customer service team, and they do not have live chat support. So what will actually happen is that you'll actually be sent via email in order to get in contact with them. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and contact TCGPlayer support. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.